What if your hull is still perfect, but your propulsion system starts showing signs of failures, increased maintenance and operational costs? What would you do? Welcome at Veth Propulsion by Twindisk. There can be multiple reasons for vessel owners to find cost-reductive solutions, such as life cycle costs, sustainability, or even electrification. But instead of going into the expense of fleet renewal, haven't you thought about refit, retrofitting, or conversions?
We will design a thruster to the existing hull structure, regardless of brand or application. The 3D modeling of the thruster can be based on the blueprints of the vessel or even on measurements and photos taken on board. We will make sure that the thruster will fit perfectly. The propeller is based on your sailing profile. The optimized design increases performance, fuel reduction and lower noise levels.
So if you're looking for a refit, then we are your partner. With years of experience from Australia to the USA, we can offer a solution for any customer. But for our European customer, we welcome you at our fully equipped dockside.